Tanveer says, is it forbidden to pray uncovering the shoulders? This is an issue of dispute for men, whether it is permissible to pray topless, only covering the awra, which is from the belly button to the knees. And it is an issue of dispute whether the knees are included in the awra or not. So one opinion says that this is permissible, but not recommended. Other opinions, such as in the Hanbali madhab, it says that in fard prayer, your prayer is invalid. So if you keep your shoulders bare and you're topless, but you're covering from the belly button to your knees, then your prayer is invalid in fard. In other prayers, it's okay. The majority of scholars say that it is permissible. So what's the most authentic opinion? The most authentic opinion is what the majority said, that it is not recommended to pray bare chest and topless, but the prayer itself is valid, insha'Allah.